Here you can see I have many PDF files and I need to convert all of them into image files like JPG or PNG. Now imagine opening each PDF one by one and exporting each page manually and repeating the same process again and again. That would take a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to convert multiple PDF files into images all at once. Many online tools allow PDF to image conversion, but they come with common problems. First, they require uploading your PDF file to their servers. If your documents contain personal or office data, this may not be safe. Second, most online tools support only one file at a time. So if you have many PDFs, you must repeat the process again and again. And third, there can be file size limits and quality issues. To avoid these problems, we'll use an offline tool called SysWeak PDF Editor. It allows batch conversion, keeps your files on your computer, and gives better control or output quality. You can download SysWeak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. Let us begin. First, open SysWeak PDF Editor. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. From here, click on Batch Process. Then select Batch Convert. A new window will open. Click on Add Files and select all the PDF files you want to convert into images. You can select multiple PDFs at the same time. Once the files are added, choose the output format from the list like JPG, PNG, TIFF or BMP, depending on which format you need. Now select the output folder where you want to save the image files. Everything looks good, so click on Convert to Image. The tool will now convert all the PDF files automatically. Once the process is complete, let us check the folder. Here are the original PDF files and here are the image files created from them. Each page is saved clearly as an image file. You can open them, share them or upload them wherever needed. And all of this happened directly on your PC without uploading your documents anywhere. So this is the easiest and safest way to convert multiple PDF files into images all at once. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.